Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Taurus. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, from this deck for your daily energy, for your career situation, and your love energy, guys. So, first for your daily energy. So, these are for your daily energies, guys, and for your career situation and love energy. We'll be picking cards from another deck. So I'll be picking one card each, guys, from this deck. So this is for your career situation, Taurus, and this is for your relationship. We will keep this card here. So we will open the cards as we proceed. And for your guidance today, guys, I'll be picking one card from the Rumi Oracle Guidance deck. So I will keep this card here. So we will turn the cards as we proceed into the reading for Taurus. So let's see. First, it is Page of Suns in reverse, guys. The completed world in reverse, and Two of Spheres. With these cards, guys, in your situation, Taurus, this may relate to your personal life situation or your career situation. So you are seeing some kind of delays, maybe in completion of some projects or some deals, maybe signing of some important documents, whatever it is. Some kind of delays or suspensions, or the timeline, it may just prolong, guys, for that completion. So some kind of stress or obstacles you may be facing today in your situation. And also for some of you, whatever actions that you are doing, you may feel that it is not giving you the required results, and your efforts are being wasted, because what you get back, the result of your efforts, is not what you expected, and it may even be something not good, guys. And though for some of you, you may be seeing success in certain things, certain areas, maybe in your work, regarding some projects or some financial deals. You are in a good position and you see that you are moving towards a good position in life. But for some of you, you may have to put lots of efforts, and you have to put tremendous efforts to sustain whatever you have attained till now. So that may also be the reason of worry or stress. So too much work you are doing today, Taurus, in your career situation, or too much responsibilities for things to go in this particular order too. Maybe you are experiencing that happiness and bounty today, some kind of success, but to sustain that you need to give in your time and attention and lot of energy. So that may be the reason for stress in your situation, guys. So some kind of worries, and the results may also not be consistent. So one day you may feel, maybe for some choice you may feel that you may get that particular result, but some other time for the same choice you may not get that result. So some kind of inconsistency. This may again relate to your personal life situation also. Maybe the way you behave with this person in this connection, sometimes you both may come to an understanding, and it goes through that perfect harmony. But sometimes in this connection you may not find that understanding with that person, and it may lead to some misunderstandings or quarrels in this connection, guys. So that inconsistency is there today for you. That is what I see with these cards, Taurus. So let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. Strength in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your situation today, maybe for some of you, you may have something that is stressing you, maybe your health, or maybe some habits, some bad habits on your part. Something is making you weak, you may feel, or in your position today, you may hold an important position in your work, someone who makes important decisions, some responsible position you are in, but certain decisions that you are making today, maybe it may be correct, but the people with you, who are working with you, your colleagues, or your employees, whoever it is, they may feel that you are trying to impose certain decisions on them based on your authority. So you are deciding something, but they may feel that you are trying to make use of your power and position to make them do certain things in your work. So that may again may work against you, Taurus. That is what I see here, guys. So you need to go for that team spirit in your work situation. That is what I see with this card here, guys. So what is the card for your relationship, guys? So we will turn the card now. It is Seven of Wands in reverse, guys. So with this card in your situation today, this may be what your person feels about you or what you feel about your person. So there are certain situations where you may feel embarrassed to be with this person, maybe, or they may feel this way about you. Maybe you both are not equal in your position or status, or you are embarrassed to relate to them as your romantic connection, or they feel embarrassed to relate to you that way because of certain qualities that you have, maybe for some of you guys, or maybe how you are. They don't have that understanding with you. That may be the reason for these embarrassments they feel towards you, or in the situation, guys. And also that understanding and compatibility is missing, guys, in this connection. That is also what I see, and lots of stress and anxiety is there in this connection. So you need to be really careful, guys, Taurus. That is what I see with these cards. And what is the card for your Rumi Oracle guidance? So this card may or may not relate to your position today, but it is a guidance. So if we follow this guidance, it will make things go in a better way for us, guys. So let us see what is the card. We should read these cards in straight, guys, not in reverse. So this is the card, the guidance for you all. So with this card, guys, the guidance for you all in your situation today. So each and every one of us have a unique path, guys. So each and every one of us, our life, whatever circumstances we are facing, the experiences we are having, and the people we are meeting, each and everyone have our unique pattern in life. So we will have that learning, understanding, and spiritual and emotional growth because of that. So you need not make others understand what is your path. You have to just be at peace with whatever things are unfolding in your life. Trust your path and trust your evolution, even at those times when other people are reacting to you with fear or discomfort. The same way, just like we have a unique path in life, each and every one of us has their own unique path, and we are all on it. It may be the same path, but each and every one of us will have This is the time for us to embrace our wisdom, freedom, and empowerment to grow spiritually and live our life accordingly. How it has been shown to us, guys. So this is the time for us to shine, be true and true to ourselves, and shine bright in our life. So that is what this card is about, guys. That is the guidance. So whatever our life unfolds for us, maybe happiness, sadness, whatever it is, when we embrace it as the unique path that we are on, embrace it as the necessary thing in our life to lead us to the greater goal in life, guys, things will change to the better. So that is what this card is about, and that is the reading for you all, Taurus. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.